2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.